FSLY is in the move and trending up, as you can see, 41.14%. Volume so far is 3.4 million. 50-day average is around 4.25 million. So easily that we will be a big day for the stock. Yeah, the stock is trending after reporting record Q4 and full year 2025 financial results, achieving significant revenue growth, improved gross margins, and a return to profitability, alongside an optimistic 2026 outlook. So we can get more details here. Okay, so we have recorded a Q4, posted a record Q4 with a revenue of 23% to $172.6 million, and a swing to $0.12 non-GAAP earnings per share, marking its first profitable year. Shares surged over 25% in the yeah. So it's actually added more revenue growth at 23% year over year. 2025 became Fastly's first profitable year with $624 million revenue, or 15% year over year, above initial guidance. Security revenue growth at 2%, represents 21% of total, driven by expanded product portfolio. Network services grew 19%, gross margin hits a record 64%, operating margin reached 12.3%. Remaining performance applications grew 55%. 2026 guidance calls for 14% revenue growth to 700 to $720 million. Infrastructure capex is set to rise to 10 to 12% of revenue. Management highlighted agentic AI traffic, AI workloads, and AI bot mitigation as emerging early stage growth tailwinds. Okay, second quarter driven by broad-based revenue acceleration, record margins, and security-led cross-sell into large customers. Main concern: higher 2026 infrastructure capex, and macro/slash supply chain uncertainty could pressure margin trajectory despite upbeat guidance. Okay, let's see what we have. 10% short interest float is 13.7, 137.28 million. So out of all of that, only 4.25 million trades. So a lot of a lot a lot of passive holders on the stock, a lot. So let's see what we have. Yeah, let's see. It's for some reason it's taking time to load. Okay, so this is the 4-hour chart. It has reflected what's going on right now. I think this is the post market session expansion, and it has now contracted now. So we're looking at the algo seems to be suggesting that it may still remain elevated, at least up till the 17th, Tuesday the 17th. After that, we might that's when it's saying that the contraction may begin to play out. But let's see what the intraday high is. Currently at 13.07, 13.99, it has given up some of those gains. And let's see projections. Let's see what we're seeing, what we're looking at. 11.13. So that's a downward projection. That's this one here. Okay, and market grid on this 4-hour chart. Let's see what it's telling us. Between 15.29. So that's actually that's a premium to it. That intraday high. So it has the potential to trade between 15.29 and 11.53. Yeah. Okay. Does it have any? It's currently at 12.98 right now. Yeah, it has some support. 12.97, 12.47, some amount of support. Let's see whether it has anything further up. Yeah, no, not really, nothing really. So it may pick up a bounce here, around here, 12.97 and 12.47. But it would have helped if maybe a moving average is around there or anything like that. Yeah. Okay, let's see what we have on its daily chart. Okay, so he has since outgrown this, but as of yesterday, the algos were suggesting that it was going to be a big day, and actually saying that it was the strength it has. It's yeah, just aligning with what we have on the date on the 4 hour chart. Is expected to remain in place up to Tuesday the 17th. Then after that, yeah, maybe the downtrend. The stock has been on a distributive contraction, so it's saying that it may resume after that. So we can see here what's been playing out. Just the lows are getting lower, the highs are getting lower as well. So it's distributing. It's distributing, but we'll see how all of this will pan out. Projections here are saying that 8.04, 7.59. Another thing we can do is we have seen 15.85 on its daily on this 4 hour chart. 15.85 is we have seen that already. 15.29. Okay, we can also jump to the 5 minute chart to see whether the algos extrapolated anything beyond that's those sort of levels. 14.6. No, no, we've seen 15 dollars and some fraction. Yeah, okay. Here we have 15.58, 16.86, 17.64. These were actually yesterday in the post market session of yesterday. That was when they printed. Let's see what we have on its 3 minute chart. We have okay, we want to see something beyond $15. Okay. Yeah, those I don't think let's see. 13.15, 13.46, 13.54, 15.55, just a slight premium to what we have already. Okay, let's look at the 1 minute chart. 13.26, 13.72, 13.75, 15.32, 13.52, 13.34, 15.09. I think our best bet might be what we saw on the 5 minute chart. Yeah, that's probably our best bet. Okay, just see what you make of FSLY, and thank you very much for watching this video.